really? It's got me. Way down there. Shit. I don't know how much I'm going to be in the way, but probably all of it. Let me see. So those are just 6 mil by 1.0s. Those are 16 millimeters long. They're just hand tight for now. Let me get the other side installed. This little magnet light, I've talked about it before. It's a snap-on. It was a gift. I don't know what model it is, but you can sit it there. And so this is the first bow, and we're gonna wrap it in this cloth and glue it, right? But we're not gonna do it yet. First we're gonna line up some other stuff. So I want to get this attached because this piece is long and it drops on the inside. And this one lines up, and then we'll have to line up this back one and start gluing some stuff. But first, let's get this piece attached. This is where it's fixing to get weird. Piece of rubber. Put it in there. that goes in there. Now I gotta run to the other side. So we have to line up these holes.
32 seconds.
And then there's those little screws that go in there to hold this on. So we can do at least one of them here. Maybe that one, but then we'll have to lay it down to get to the rest. Hold on. If I drop this, it's going to be a pain to get, because it'll be somewhere inside the car. I'm pretty sure that started it, yeah. So this part pulls on this part, which is attached to the very front where you bolted it together. So you can loose, that's why those front bolts are loose. So I can get this lined up and get those bolts, these little bolts in there. So now I'm going to roll it down and this bar will clear and I'll be able to get the other ones, I think. Let's see. Yeah, pretty good. There's nowhere. So I'm working right here. Everything is in the way. Need a longer screwdriver. And then there's this one. Okay. And then stupid light. Got it. Move the seat. Sorry. And then to get the top one, here we go. Sorry, I'm holding with one hand, turning with the other. There we go. Now I have to do the other side. So just going over some pre-fitment stuff first. This little flap is on the inside. It gets glued down right here. This flap rolls around and gets glued on. So we have our rear bar lined up, and then I went ahead and installed the rear mount. Sorry, I went ahead and, well, it's not installed, it's just hooked to the back. But I'm going to go ahead and secure this loosely and do a pre-fit first before I start gluing anything. It's latched in the front. It's tight. You can see where it raised up in the back. Those hangers are all the way up. There's some adjustment in there, but it's gonna need to stretch. I guess being off, I don't know, the vinyl shrunk. So I'm gonna start gluing, and then we can put it back into the sun. Stretch it out, readjust the back, latch it down again, see what happens. Time to glue.